Hey awesome ones, so this video is exactly for those days when you look in the closet and you go, I have nothing to wear. Well, today I have 6 outfits that I put together for you, and I'm also going to explain to you the occasions that they would work for. And I was even thinking about a lot of you who live in warmer climates, so I did them in kind of layers so it'll work for you as well. All right, so let's look at outfit number 1. So I recently wore this outfit for a special occasion, and it was like a media conference, but I wanted to feel confident, I wanted to feel youthful, and I wanted to feel like I was really having fun. And you might be thinking of those kind of occasions, maybe it's a reunion or a get-together, but this is a perfect little outfit for that. And how I put it together was, first of all, I started with this kind of well, it's almost like a t-shirt kind of material with this beautiful lace on it. So that's what I wore underneath. And then I love this kind of lacy skirt, and it's just so pretty. And also what I wanted to wear with that was my stretchy belt. So I've got my stretchy belt here. I have the wider one, and I put that around the waist. And then I still needed something, so what did I do? I wore my jean jacket, and this is by Lee, and this outfit really sort of has, again, really nice fun vibe to it. And this is a stretchy material by Lee. Let me just get it a little more stretchy for you. Here you go, just like that. And it's just the greatest jean jacket. Now, also what I did, I added leggings, tights. I added tights and also some Skechers ankle boots, and that really helped to finish the look. This look is really what I call a look to feel like you got your groove back. All right, so let's go to outfit number 2. So I wanted to show the next outfit because it's very similar to what I just wore traveling. And whether you're going by planes, trains, or automobiles, this is super comfortable and really practical as well. All right, so I started off with these Skechers pants. They're called Go Walk pants. They're available in lots of different colors. And as you can see, they've got the nice wide waistband there, super stretchy, almost like a kind of a straight leg, a little bit of a bell bottom, not much of one at the bottom. And also they have pockets in the back and also pockets in the front. All right, so I also wanted to make sure that I added a pretty top, because sometimes maybe a flight is delayed, or maybe it's a situation where you're going out right after getting off the plane. I love these tops. They're available in 37 was it? 37 different colors. They're also available in short sleeve and long sleeve. And I think the price of them, they're under $25. And you can see how lightweight they are as well. All right, so, and again, I love the crisscross on this. All right, so the next item that I have is a long hoodie. I love the purple color of this with the big zipper. And let me just see if I have some information on this. It comes in several colors, and it's got a bit of a fleece line. You know what I do with this hoodie when I'm on the plane? A lot of times what I do is I'll just roll it up, and I'll kind of use it as a neck roll, so I don't have to bring a neck roll with me. So that's just a great item to have. And let me see what else I have here. Oh yes, of course, what was my carry-on? My carry-on was this fabulous American Tourister. It does not just say fun, that pattern, and it's a really hard surface there. So that's my number 2 outfit. Now, I was really careful to pick items where if you're on a budget, it's going to work for you. And a lot of these items that I'm showing you, you know, the ones that I'm modeling, they're going to be underneath the video description and also in the comments. All right, let's get on to outfit number 3. And oops, I forgot to mention one of the most important things about traveling, and that's wearing comfortable shoes. These shoes that I have here are from Witten. They also have a really, really nice tread on the bottom, super comforty. They're called a barefoot kind of look, and as you can see that your toes aren't squished in any way. They also have a removable insert if you like to wear orthotics, and just wanted to mention that to you because it was kind of important. All right, let's go on to outfit number 3. So I love this outfit, you know, for running errands and kind of an everyday stylish look for outings. And what I like about it, number 1, let's take a look at the pants that I have here. I bought myself a pair of bell bottoms. They're really trending and they have been for a while. And it's kind of a blast from the past, but hey, we never had stretchiness like this in our old bell bottoms, did we? And it's got the pockets on the back. It's got a lovely, lovely flare there, and all throughout it, it's completely stretchy. And I think it's less than $40 for those as well. All right, I just put a plain black top underneath, but also I have my brown stretchy belt, and here it is right here. Just a beautiful belt to wear, to just add a little something, and it's stretchy. All right, so the next item that I have, oh my gosh, faux suede jacket. It's a bomber, no, it's not a bomber jacket, it's a moto jacket with lots of great detail. Available in how many colors? 16 colors. It's under $60. And let me show you, when was the last time you saw any kind of suede with this kind of stretch in it? It's a stretchy suede jacket, and I absolutely love it. And again, it's available in lots of different colors, so there you go. Now, also what I wanted to wear my Skechers ankle boots here. It does have a little bit of a heel on it, but it's super, super comfy to wear. And my Ray-Bans. These are the Wayfarers. Watch this. Those are sunglasses, so they can pack away in a bag really easily, and they're fold-ups, so they're just very, very cool. All right, now, also what I have here, if I can grab it over here, it's my new bag. Look at the leather detail on that. It's just beautiful leather, beautiful for fall as well. But there's a little bit more to this, besides that it has like a crossbody and also handles. What I do, especially for errands, I can get my umbrella in here. I can also get my smaller purse inside, and it has lots and lots of room inside for other purchases that I make. You know, a lot of times you're going to a mall or someplace and you've got your cosmetics bag and you've got your, you know, you bought a skirt from here and you got all this stuff, when you can just fit a lot of it into a bag like this. And the other thing that I like about this silhouette, besides everything is stretchy pretty well, is the fact that wearing the black underneath also makes me look a little bit more slender and also taller. And just before we get into our next outfit, if you like the convenience, the variety, and a lot of the bargains that you find shopping online, don't forget to look at a size chart. Almost every single outfit that you see does have a size chart. And also make sure that you really measure your bust line, because for me, that's where I really find out that a medium by one manufacturer is not still the same medium for another one. So just thought I'd tell you that. All right, but let's get on to outfit number 4. So shirt dresses are really trending right now. I love this flowy one that I have. And what I like about a shirt dress, the outfit that I have there, is it can really take you from, you know, a business look into maybe an evening kind of look. And also it's a great outfit that takes you from maybe a warmer day to a cooler evening. All right, so let's take a look a little bit at this beautiful dress. It's available in 6 patterns altogether. Again, it's very, very flowy. And what I like to do with this is, it does have a self belt, but I really like to put the the wider stretchy belt on it. I don't know if you can see that okay, but it just adds a little something to the look. And then of course I also have a nice, very lightweight cardigan to go over top. And I'm 5'9", so when you see this long cardigan on me, that's how tall I am. So it might be a little bit longer on you, but it's available in lots of different colors. Let me see, 24 different colors, so I think that that's a great item to have. Also, why not wear the higher boots? And these are just a lovely boot. They do have the side zipper in them, so they're easy to get on and off. And again, these are the stretchy kind of faux suede look. So it really captures a lovely looking outfit that you can take to business, to office, to dinner, all kinds of occasions. And hey, if you like styling videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And also, if you like makeup and skincare and fashion, all kinds of those kind of videos, I also do a live event, and it's every Wednesday. It's at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, and it's Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I even throw in some household goods once in a while as well, and we just kind of hang out like girlfriends. We browse some items, we chit chat, and if you miss it, the reruns are there again at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, but it's a lot more fun to be there. All right, let's look at outfit number 5. Now, we all need a go-to dress, you know, when you're invited to a function or to a wedding or some kind of a special event. And I love this dress. It has like a peplum kind of cover up, so it can cover up your tummy. This is a workable zipper, so you can have it as high or as low as you want. There we go. And it's kind of like a crepe-like material, so it's very light to wear. And it's available in about 6 colors, and it's around 50 bucks. So it doesn't look like it. It looks absolutely gorgeous on. And also, I love to wear these little kitten heels. It's a strappy sandal, and it's got a beautiful little gold heel on it, not too high. And I love, for me, this is skin tone, so it gives me quite a nice silhouette, and it allows me to look like I've got longer legs. So that's just another little hint for you. So my next outfit is a great outfit for when you're, going out for the day or maybe out for the evening with friends. And I am wearing a skirt with this. And if it's a little cooler, of course you could wear those cool black bell bottoms and it will still be a great look. But let's talk about the skirt, because a lot of you know I love skirts. I just find they're very feminine. And this one from Belief, it has, it's very super stretchy as usual. It's got 3 pockets all together. There's the stretchiness for you. And again, it has shorts underneath. So if you think, I don't feel comfortable wearing a skirt, well, you're actually wearing shorts with just a little cover up over top of it. So let me just see if I've got some information on that. It's available in 13 different colors. And remember, when you're looking at this, I'm 5'9", so it might look a little bit longer on you. All right, so the next item that I have is this very cool bomber jacket. This bomber jacket has a gold zipper, which I think is just amazing. I love the design on it, and of course bomber jackets are really trending right now. Let me just see what I have here. It's available in 20 different colors and patterns, and it's only about 40 bucks. So I think that's really cute. Also, can you believe this white shirt, and it's available in how many other colors? 23 colors. It's a mixture of cotton and linen, and it's less than $30. So, I mean, it's just a go-to. We all need a classic looking white shirt, and I think that just kind of really sets off the whole look. Also, I've got my white Keds. These are leather Keds, so comfy, so on trend right now, wearing a pair of shoes like this. And of course, I'm gonna top it off with my aviator glasses. All right, it's a great go-to look. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I want you to look in the mirror and say, I look great. But sometimes, I know some of you, you look in the mirror and you just have all this negative talk, and I say, yeah, you're older, yes. Maybe you put on a few pounds, yes. But I'm gonna say rock what you got, because you're older, but you're wiser. And I know that you brighten a lot of people's day with your beautiful soul. So what I say is look in the mirror, feel confident, go out, shine your light, style up a little bit, and of course, keep it awesome.